Set of 1. 1956 Plymouth Wagon. $9,000. Lake Isabella, California. Starting off with this 1956 Plymouth Wagon. It's almost fully intact with just 2 missing door panels and an antenna. The body is solid with original green paint except for some primer spots. The 277 4-barrel engine runs and the automatic transmission shifts smoothly. This car has been stored indoors since 2004, preserving its charm. Price is set at $9,000. 2. 1962 Chevy Truck with new V8, $6,500, Burbank, California. Next, a 1962 Chevy Truck with a powerful V8 454 engine and an upgraded automatic transmission. With a fresh primer coat, this truck features a new brake booster, disc brakes, wiring, and radiator. All the heavy lifting is done, so it's ready for paint and finishing touches. It's a true Restomod classic with an asking price of $6,500. 3. 1958 Chevrolet Bel Air, $5,200, Oxnard, California. Here's a true original, a 1958 Chevrolet Bel Air 4-door sedan. It's equipped with the original 283 small block and automatic transmission. This car cranks and starts, but will need a little carburetor work to stay running. The interior and exterior are complete, making this Bel Air a steal at $5,200. 4. 1951 Plymouth Business Coupe, $8,000, San Bernardino, California. This classic 1951 Plymouth Business Coupe is in original running condition with a 6-volt electrical system. The bench seat has been reupholstered, though it needs new tires. It's a beautiful survivor ready to hit the road for $8,000. 5. 1957 Cadillac 4-door hardtop, $7,250, Crest Hill, California. This 1957 Cadillac 4-door hardtop is mostly original, and it runs and drives beautifully. With classic styling and a rock-solid body, it's a bargain at $7,250 for someone looking to add a bit of vintage luxury to their collection. 6. 1951 Chevrolet Deluxe, $5,500, California. Here we have a completely original 1951 Chevrolet Deluxe 4-door. The engine runs, but the brakes need attention. This classic has its original green paint, a clean dash, and the iconic Chevy look. It's priced at just $5,500, making it an ideal project. 7. 1960 Mercury Comet, 5,605, Camarillo, California. This 1960 Mercury Comet is an all-original, low-mileage classic with a straight-six engine and 2-speed automatic transmission. It's had recent updates, including new brakes, gas tank, tires, and seals. Although it has a salvage title, the frame is perfect and 95% rust-free. Asking price is $5,650. 8. 1953 Nash Ambassador, $8,500, Tucson, Arizona. Check out this baby blue 1953 Nash Ambassador. It's had the engine rebuilt and new upholstery installed and includes a 12-volt conversion. It even has the original working radio. The owner is firm on the price at $8,500. 9. 1959 Etel Ranger, $7,500, Victorville, California. This 1959 Etel Ranger is a V8 automatic with beautiful original paint, upholstery, and chrome. It's only been off the road for a year, but the engine needs some work. Priced at $7,500, this Etel offers vintage style in excellent condition. 10. 1960 Buick Electra 225, $10,000, Prescott, Arizona. Last on our list, the 1960 Buick Electra 225 four-door hardtop. It runs and drives but does need work, making it an ideal project car. It's being offered at $10,000, a solid deal for anyone looking to restore a luxurious classic. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the video description for links to each ad. And don't forget to subscribe to Vintage American Cars for more vintage car finds.